The brick converter, the feasibility study is already done when Honorable Professor Iqbal is there. And unfortunately, it's delayed. Even the money is ready by the time provided by China Exim Bank.
Money was there.
Money is there.
Yeah, it's a soft loan from China Exim Bank.
We are taking up for 4 years. They did not take up. The money was there, and the previous government just did not
For
bother.
4 years
they did not bother.
And money is lying.
Yeah, money is lying.
बहुत जुल्म है, बहुत
The
जुल्म।
more we wait, the cost is going to go up.
Yeah, sure.
As you know. Yeah.
GD, we are taking up now. Yeah.
And the first installment is there.
The money is already there, and the feasibility study there, and the problem is just make the process.
And when was the study completed?
It's not a study yet.
No, the study, feasibility study.
The feasibility is already done.
When?
It's already done 3 years ago,
3 years ago?
when professor is there.
अंदाजा करें
This is the loss.
इससे बड़ी और जुल्म और ज़्यादती इस कौम के साथ क्या हो सकती है? पैसा भी आया हुआ है, feasibility study और this is very sad and unacceptable. Sorry, we will do it inshallah.